We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The first Taiwanese writer to earn an international prize, Zheng Qingwen, was described as a masterful storyteller by the judges of a U.S. Book Prize in 1999 when they gave the award to his short story collection Three-Legged Horse, 三脚马. A modest Hakka man, Zheng was surprised, but not especially excited about the prize. He said it was like eating the same lunch every day, except that one day there's a flower on the table. An admirer of Chekhov and Hemingway, Zheng's style is understated and simple, but deep, with few adjectives and adverbs. Local issues and events figure prominently in his works. The title story of Three-Legged Horse perfectly blends history, character, and strong symbolism. Set just after the Japanese occupation, it describes a man who carves lame horses to atone for working with the colonial police, a job the Taiwanese called three-legged. As the story unfolds, we learn that there was a reason why the man betrayed his fellow villagers, their mockery of him during his childhood because of a birthmark on his nose. Born to a farming family in Taoyuan in 1932, Zheng only learned Chinese in his teens after the Japanese left the island. He says writing does not change anything, but has allowed him to know himself. That is the magic of language, he says.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to our Hakka lesson.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
And I am Joseph Lin. You know, last time or one of the times we learned about 吃了什么东西, what have you eaten? And you said it was 吃马雞. 吃马雞嘛?
是马雞.
马雞就是 what? 对不对？
什么什么？
可是我记得常常听到一些歌曲啊，是走马街，就是 what are you doing？ 做什么？那马街为什么又变马街呢？
其实马街是不太正确的
啊，真的吗？
因为anyway 讲走马街，
走马街，
走马街，走马街，走马街就是新竹腔。
哦，走马街是新竹腔。So these are two different accents we're talking about.
走马街呢，就是苗栗的腔。
Oh, because the Hakka, they're very abundant in two different counties here in Taiwan. One is Hsinchu, and it'll be 走馬街。
走馬街。
哦，走馬街。
走馬街。新竹走馬街。
and then 苗栗 will be 走馬街。so basically 馬街就是 what? Okay, so what are you doing? What are you drinking? What are you eating? If you learn other vocabularies, you can just add it on there and just say 馬街. What are you doing? All right, there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.